Hi everyone, welcome to Math Academy. In this video we're going to solve an interesting problem. We are given x equals 5 minus square root of 21 over 2, and we are going to find the value of x to the power 6 minus 5 times x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus x squared minus 5x plus 1. Before solving this problem, please subscribe my channel. First, we can factor out x to the power 3 from this expression. So we get x cubed times x cubed minus 5x squared plus x plus 1 over x minus 5 over x squared plus 1 over x to the power 3. Now we want to write the terms that have a same exponent together. X cubed and 1 over x cubed, x squared and 1 over x squared, x and 1 over x. Now we need to find 1 over x. X plus 1 over x is going to be 5 minus square root of 21 over 2 plus 2 over 5 minus square root of 21. We need to make a common denominator. Five minus square root of 21 to the power 2 becomes 25 plus 21 minus 10 times square root of 21. Then the numerator is going to be 10 times 5 minus square root of 21. So x plus 1 over x is going to be 5. Now by using the algebraic identity and perfect square formula, we can write x squared plus 1 over x squared equals x plus 1 over x all to the power 2 minus 2 times x times 1 over x. Five to the power 2 becomes 25 and 25 minus 2 becomes 23. Now we need to find x cubed plus 1 over x cubed. By using algebraic identity, I can write x plus 1 over x cubed plus 1 over x cubed equals x plus 1 over x all to the power 3 minus 3 times x times 1 over x times x plus 1 over x. So we will have 5 to the power 3 minus 3 times 5. It's going to be 110. Now we should put these numbers in our expression. X to the power 3 is 5 minus square root of 21 over 2 to the power 3. X cubed plus 1 over x cubed is 110. X squared plus 1 over x squared is 23, and x plus 1 over x is 5. In this parenthesis, 110 minus 5 times 23 plus 5 is going to be 0. So this expression is going to be 0. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment.